Get ready for dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. Mr. Chairman, my honorable friend, the food minister apologized for bringing in this mayor at so late an hour, but he has given us no adequate reason for not having placed it before Parliament much earlier. When did the government become aware of the fact that food prices were rising? We have been aware of it for months. I think the finance minister too has expressed apprehensions more than once with regard to the rise in food prices, but the food minister himself has, I believe, consistently minimized the seriousness of the food situation. The price statistics have shown clearly for some time that prices were rising and that in spite of the opening of fair price shops and the other measures that government took, there was no sign that the prices would be stabilized. In spite of all that the government did, it was clear that prices were showing a tendency to rise. There is no one other fact that I should like to bring to the notice of the House in this connection. Government, realizing that the position was becoming very difficult, has taken steps to secure food grains from other countries. So far as I know, it has entered into an agreement with Japan to get 2 million tons of rice from her during the seventh 5-year plan period. It has also taken steps to get, I think, about 3 million tons of food grains from America and perhaps from Australia too. The total quantity of food grains thus ordered is about 5.5 million tons. Under the agreement that they have entered into, they can soon even obtain, I think, about 80 or oblique 90,000 tons more, or even a little more, perhaps about a million tons more. They therefore knew that the present situation would soon become more difficult in the near future. That is why they took steps to enter into an agreement with other countries to obtain the food supplies badly needed by the country. Yet the food minister comes to us at the 11th hour and wants the bill to be discussed as an emergency measures. Is this, sir, fair to the House? They may be hoarding and it may have to be dealt with, but I object very strongly to the procedure that the government has adopted. This is not the first time, sir, that the government of India have reacted in this manner. Now, sir, the food minister says that food grains are being hoarded. Is this a complete exposition of the rise in food prices? We all know that the food position in Bangladesh is very unsatisfactory. It is also known from newspaper reports that rice is being smuggled into Bangladesh. This is not a new phenomenon but something that has come to light during the last 4 or 5 or 6 days. This too has been known to government for a pretty long time. It was also known to them that in spite of what they were doing, smuggling was increasing. Yet they slept over the whole affair and came before Parliament when it was going to adjourn. There may be some hoarding in the country, but I should like to ask the food minister to tell us whether this bill would provide the remedy that is needed. This bill cannot prevent anybody from smuggling rice into Bangladesh. It was said once that the rise in food price of food grains was the result of hoarding. When prices are rising, people who hope to gain by the rise in prices may resort to more than one unsocial practice in order to secure some gain for themselves. But to think that these illegal practices are the only cause for the rise in price is to make a serious mistake. Government should realize that their own policy is partly responsible for the rise in prices. They are indulging in deficit financing every year and then they come to us and talk about hoarders and the people who indulge in unsocial practices and so on. The government from the Prime Minister downwards have got into the habit of saying that the economic position of the country must be developed as rapidly as possible and that we must be prepared to make sacrifices at present for the benefit of future generations. Then we must recognize our own responsibility for what is happening at the present time. But there was no sign of that in the speech of the food minister. The purpose of his speech was that food prices were rising because of the existence of hoarders in the country. I hope, sir, nobody will be taken in by this statement. The Parliament has been discussing the food situation for many years, and there are many members of this Parliament whose memories are not so short as the food minister thinks. We know almost quite as much about the food situation as he himself does. Now, sir, granting that something has to be done to check the rise in price, even temporarily, what has the government done about food grains? Stop over.